God damn this fucking hellhole. I hate this fucking house. I hate everything about this fucking place. I despise this fucking house, man.
Of course. What's my fucking pet's name? I'll tell you my fucking pet's name.
Daddy, can you pass the peppers? Thank you, Daddy. Daddy.
Not that day. That.
Yes.
What the?
She might. She might. She might.
What are you puking for?
Fuck off!
I only know 25 letters in the alphabet. I don't know why. I don't know the letter Y. Okay.
So is it my turn? Alright. I only know 25 letters in the alphabet, but I don't know the letter Y.